150 years ago, the famous Russian author Dostoevsky published his remarkable book, Crime and Punishment. I would like to read a short paragraph of this book, and this is the paragraph where Dostoevsky presents Raskolnikov's mother. And he says that although she is 43 years old, she looks wonderful for old women. 150 years ago, life expectancy was 50, and 43 years old woman was old. Today, life expectancy is almost doubled, and the population aging is one of the biggest challenges of our society. Most of elder people would like to age in place. However, technology for aging in place remains very poor and mainly focused on elderly life saving and almost nothing about elderly quality of life. My name is Yoel Avian, and I'm the founder of Vitalytics. Vitalytics provides a cloud-based social responsibility platform that connects seniors with off-the-shelf connected device to their family members and caregivers, provide them a set of day-to-day services, life-saving services, but also quality of life services, and support them with crowd caring. Angels, communities of angels that are willing to help a senior in need based on their real-time location and consent. Crowd caring relies on the fact that elders surrounded with friends, family, neighbors, and other people, and people like you and me, willing to help, but too busy to commit. Crowd caring is the 21st century way of active volunteering. In other words, if your mom is connected to our platform, you will very easily can build a private angel community, built from friends, neighbors, family members, and support them with public angels community, like volunteers from volunteering organization, corporate social responsibility program, etc. Our business model is based on low monthly subscription fee and community marketplace when we will offer additional services and products to the elders. Our first product is ready for beta, and we are starting a pilot 2 weeks from now with our first customers. Our team is built from 150 years of experience of gerontology, behavioral economics, business development, and technology. Finally, we've established a social business that will significantly impact the lives of many, and we are doing that with a financial and sustainable business. Thank you.
Could you speak a little bit about the physical aspects of that, or the physical tests you've done? I understand there is an application, but who have used that so far? How did you, I mean, the type of people that you spoke to, that you experimented with?
We did research both with elder people and with potential volunteers. 2 students who did their graduate work with us and did the market research. And we saw that often מובהק, I don't want to say it, people are willing to help, and elders willing to get help from people they trust. Okay, this is the reason why we also build the concept of private angels community.
Okay, I really like that particular, I mean, the smaller circle. So when you will pilot that, how do you want to go about the pilot?
We are starting a pilot 2 weeks from now in a place in Moetzet Menashe. It's called קהילה תומכת, for example. קהילה תומכת they have already elders, they have family members, they have volunteers, and they have אב קהילה, what we call the super angel. Super angel will get all the calls that when there is no angel available or when there is no answer from the family members. So it's a next stage of our concept. So this is the way we are going to test it.
How would you make sure that the volunteer or the first circle is someone that you can trust?
Because the family member will build that circle. It's not something that we will do. You, when your mom will be connected, you will be able to build the community using our tool, using other application. You will ask for, you will call for help, call for friend to join the community, and they will be your own private community.
How will you get over the elder people ability to cope with high technology?
From the elder perspective, they don't have to do anything. It's only to press one button. All the devices that we are currently use, there is also if they have smartphone, they will get an application. But all the other devices are a watch phone, for example, or a pendant. All they have to do in case of emergency is just to press the button. All the other functionality generated from the family member.
Okay. Who will pay the money? How much will that be? Who will pay the money? And
The
how
money
much
will be
that
paid by the elder or his family member. We are talking about a very low cost comparing what today, 50 shekels a month, for a set of functions which are much more than emergency. Okay, like reminders, like anti-abuse functionality, etc. I can show you later about the application.
Cool. All right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.